a solution how to wake up early in the morning and to be a morning person, and some useful tips will be covered in this video. And welcome to my channel Steady Clicks, and if you're new to my channel, please to subscribe for upcoming videos, and let's begin. Why to wake up early in the morning is a usual question that arises in our mind. So by waking early in the morning is the idea of adding extra hours to the day with a good start in a fresh atmosphere. An American entrepreneur, CEO of Apple, Steve Jobs says that if today were the last day of my life, could I want to do what I am about to do today? So time should be utilized in a right way rather than being wasted. Here comes the 5 most important tips. Tip 1. Reducing hour. If your daily routine starts from 8 o'clock and if you have decided here onwards to wake up early morning at 4 o'clock, you can take 1 week or 2 weeks and start reduce the time from day 1. Day 1 wake up at 8 o'clock and day 2 wake up at 7:45 and gradually reduce 15 minutes from each day, so that your body should be comfortable with the reducing hour and the targeted level should be 4 to 5 o'clock. Remember, early morning will be called from 4 to 5 o'clock. Even after 5 o'clock it cannot be considered as early morning. Tip number 2. Control of room light. Before 1 hour of going to bed, the room should be in a low light condition. Bed is only for sleep. That means no laptop, no tablet, no mobile phones, no TV, only reading, and maintain consistency in the bedtime. Tip number 3. Motivate yourself. The night before, think one thing you could like to do in the morning that excites you. It could be something you want to write or yoga, meditation, or something else that you are very much fascinated in that. Remember that exciting thing that will help you and motivate you to get up. Tip number 4. Getting set with alarm. Set the alarm of your favorite music so you'll enjoy to listen the music, and if it is next to you, you will hit the snooze button. So it should be very far from you, and further you will wake and walk. Meanwhile, you will be in a conscious. Number 5. Drink lots and lots of water. If you are late to sleep, here is a tip that could be more helpful. Before going to sleep, drink lots and lots of water as much as possible, so it creates alarm naturally. Lastly, I want to say is that there is only one difference between dream and aim. Dream requires effortless sleep and aim requires sleepless effort. Sleep for dreams and wake up for aim. And thank you for watching.